For you and yours, rock steady. Big dedication and shout outs going to the freestylers in the dancing night as we touch down, listening pressure. For you and yours, don't forget. Leave your name on the dotted line. Don't forget your zodiac sign.
Here we go on a ride with the new freestyle.
It's the dawn with the KEV in a brand new song, giving you some freestyle flows with the D, with the O, with the N. You should know we've been flowing since '88 with the greatest of these. Get it straight, we're great. Dance to this cause the bass is deep. Prance to this cause your girl looks sweet. I must repeat, we can rock your world. In the meanwhile, shake it, girl. The freshest MCs are back again with the old school flow. Just setting the trend, yeah.
Here we go on a ride with the new freestyle.
One's on the set, flow with the freestyle coming correct, like a roughneck scout, here to make you shout. Old school flow, what the jam's about. See, I go back like a microphone cord, eager to MC my calling card. So here's a return of the one on the mic. Definition of sounds in the house tonight. Due to the fact that the entire nation hates an MC sounding like a compilation. We come forth, back off sabbatical, keep the old flow, nothing too radical. Passing the vibes with the greatest of ease. You think it's 5 or 4, not 2 MCs. My main man Dawn is a Gemini, Scorpio is my zodiac sign.
Here we go on a ride with the new freestyle. Freestyle. Here we go on a ride with the new freestyle. Freestyle. Here we go on a ride with the new freestyle. Freestyle. Here we go on a ride with the new freestyle.
The original, where you love MCs, kick it to a crowd without a fee. Many have tried and are eager to please. I gotta get paid cause I have my needs. What I really want does grow on trees. What I really have flows like a dream. Roll in the blunt will create a breeze. Pulling out the stunts, no need to tease.
See MCs come in the 2s and 3s. Try to dismiss, sucker MC please. You never come close to vibes like these. I got more styles across the freeze. Taking my spot is it never could be. Making rhymes faster than Liver Christie. Time is up, time for me to leave. Shut the door after me please.
Here we go on a ride.